Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 review in 2019. Does it worth use in 2019 or not? It's very good tablet. You can see it's very thin. USB type, micro USB type, headphone jack, and speaker. Another side you come if you there is nothing here, and on upper side you will find nothing, and this side you will find volume rockers and power button. And this is camera, and this is magnetic for attaching in car. Camera it's good but not like tab S3 S4 in 2019. It was released in I think 2016, and this is has some problems come with, that's why it not been restarting. It was fallen and now it not restarting. I don't know why this happened, but I will review later it. The 12 S4 review in 2019 2020. Does it worth use? I used it but it was running very slowly. It was later, it first of all it comes in Android 5 version, but later I updated it to Lollipop Android 6, then Android 7 Nougat, and another update come, but I have not updated and now it is fallen, now not restarting. I don't know why this going on. This was fallen from me and now it's not restarting. It's worth using 2019. Yeah, for those who cannot afford higher phones can, yes. This battery timing is not so good. It will 5 hours usage giveaway to you. So yes, it worth use for mid rangers. Thank you.